do you employ to effectively manage your time and prioritize your responsibilities when faced with distractions from your peers?
I manage my time by creating a simple schedule for my tasks and setting personal deadlines earlier than the actual due dates. When my peers distract me, I try to separate my school tasks from social interaction by focusing on one first before engaging with team. I also remind myself of my priorities so I won't fall behind. If needed, I'll limit my social activities during busy days and return to them once I'm done with my responsibilities.
Okay, next question. What are the common situations where peer influence most strongly affects you as a UMS student to your decision making?
Peer influences strongly affect me when it comes to group activities, choosing with what topic to present, and deciding whether to join school events. Sometimes I feel pressure to follow what most of my friends choose, so I don't feel left out. Peer influence also affect me in terms of academic habits such as staying up late to finish tasks with my friends or choosing subjects and strands they recommend.
Okay, for third question. How does peer validation contribute to the development of confidence among you as a UM students when engaging in class presentations or public speaking activities?
Peer validation increases my confidence because positive feedback from my classmate helps assure me what my ideas and performance are good. When my peers show support, I feel more encouraged to speak up and participate. Their validation makes me less afraid of making mistakes and more motivated to improve my communication skills, which is important to UMS.
Okay, for fourth question, how do peers influence you as a young student to your decisions regarding your dreams and life goals?
My peers influenced by sharing their own goals and plans, which sometimes inspires me to rethink or refine mine. Hearing their ambitions motivates me to aim higher and stay focused. However, there are also times when their opinion makes me doubt my choices, especially when their goals seems more practically or popular. Even so, I still try to reflect and choose the path that best fits my strengths and interests.
Okay, for the last but not the least of five questions, how do you cope with or manage peer pressure when making important decisions?
I cope with peer pressure by reminding myself of my personal values and long-term goals. I take time to think before deciding instead of agreeing right away. I also talk to trusted people like my family or teachers to get more balanced advice. When the pressure becomes too much, I distance myself temporarily to clear my mind and make a decision based on what I believe is right for me.
Eh, napaka